Doing these exercises for just 10 minutes every day will keep your heart healthy and your body energized. Welcome back to Fit Motion. Let's start our high jump rope cardio. It's a great way to warm up and get your heart rate going. Let's do this for 1 minute. Exercise 2. Next is exercise high knee squat cardio. Bring your knees up high and keep your core tight to maximize calorie burn. Go for 45 seconds. Exercise 3. Now let's do high knee sprints cardio. Keep your back flat and drive your knees toward your chest as fast as you can. Do this for 30 to 45 seconds. Exercise 4. Moving on to briskly walking cardio 2. Maintain a steady pace and breathe deeply. If you like these workouts, please subscribe Fit Motion for more. Exercise 5. Now slow it down with some walking cardio. Use this time to recover while keeping your body in motion. Do this for 1 minute.